Hello everybody, welcome back to Vintage Vagabond Vends. My name is Susan. I am back with this week's haul. So very excited about this lot that we picked up. It is a crystal jewelry haul. So definitely you're gonna see these items up for grabs on our Whatnot channel, which is also Vintage Vagabond Vends. If you guys have never signed up for it and want to check it out, we do have a referral link in the description below where you'll go ahead and get a $10 credit for signing up for that. So definitely cool. Be sure to check it out, and I'm going to go through what this week's haul was with the jewelry. As always, I like you guys to comment below. Let me know what your favorite was. Honestly, how much bling we have here. I'm loving this entire haul. So we do have a ton of bracelets. Again, these are all crystal jewelry, and we do have some rhinestones on that as well. We have these gorgeous, gorgeous post-back earrings. Really cool and sparkly. Loving all the sparkles. Wait till you see these ones. Look at these. Just a little nice, beautiful burst of color. You got those Navette rhinestones on there. Beautiful AB on there. Those are post back as well. These definitely stand out. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. These ones are clip-on earrings, but look at how gorgeous those are with the teardrops on it. Bunch of bracelets. Look at these. These are absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And they all sparkle. Lots and lots of bling. Here is the next one. We got a bunch of earrings here. They all have their matches. There are necklaces too. So we got necklaces, bracelets. Let me see if I can show this one. This one's gorgeous. And you can see it has all the rhinestone or crystals on there. And this is a multi-strand necklace. Absolutely gorgeous. Here is another beautiful beaded with crystals as well. Look at that. All those stones on there. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Loving it. What else we got? Oh, these beautiful blingies. So these are really sparkly. Post back earrings. Some more dangly crystal earrings. We got lots and lots of bracelets, so all different ones. Loving that. And these ones are stretchy bands, all different colors. Who doesn't love the bling? So this one is a double-stranded one with some rhinestones on there. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a really cool silver tone chain necklace with this beautiful, beautiful crystal on there, and some really blingy rhinestones on there as well. This one's really gorgeous. Loving this. So you have the gold tone chain with the extender, these beautiful blue crystals on there. This one's gorgeous too. Look at that. So beautiful, beautiful necklace, all different color crystals on there. We got some more earrings. These are post back. Got like a peach color rhinestone in the center and some AB rhinestones, AB crystal rhinestones on the outside. More bracelets. Look at these. So that beautiful light purple and the light blue stretchy bands. I hope you guys are excited just as much as I am about this haul. Look at these. These are absolutely gorgeous. Love those bright, vibrant colors and really sparkly and shiny. Here's a gorgeous one too. This is another necklace. Silver tone. Beautiful crystals on there. Another gorgeous stretchy crystal bracelet. That one is marked AB crystals. Lots of blingy. Here are two other bracelets. So as I mentioned, you will see these all up for sale on our Whatnot channel, so definitely be sure to check that out. It is Vintage Vagabond Vends as well. There is more here. So we have the silver tone chain, beautiful crystals all over that. Absolutely gorgeous. More earrings. Look at that sparkle. I love it. Absolutely love it. Look at these. Another pair of earrings. Post back. Here we have a double-stranded necklace with the crystals on there. Here is a chunkier one that we got this week. Really gorgeous though. Beautiful, larger crystals on there. Really, really pretty. And really beautiful, deep purple crystal bracelets. And this gorgeous one. How awesome are these? Those are glowing. Love them. So definitely a great haul this week. I'm loving it. Love, love, love it. So definitely comment. Let me know what are your favorite. I'm really loving these earrings. So I'd probably wear those. Well, I definitely would wear those. Love these earrings as well. I love it all. And this absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous necklace. So, and we have the little rhinestones on there. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul as much as I did. Again, be sure to check us out on Whatnot if you guys are interested in any of this jewelry. If you'd like to, check out more of our videos, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and comment. Let me know your favorite or favorites. I thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you all next time. Have a great day. Bye.